Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an exciting one for me especially because it involves a lot of organization. If you're like me and if you like to organize and if you like to watch organization content, I feel like this is the perfect video for you. Make sure that you watch the previous episode of us moving into our dream home and we've moved in. However, there is a lot that is left, which is why I thought I would do it with you guys. I am going to be organizing my makeup vanity, which is the task for today. And उसके अलावा भी काफी सारी चीजें हैं जो organize करनी है, छोटी छोटी चीजें DIY करनी है, खरीदनी बाकी है. All of that we're going to be doing in today's video. Let's start with packing rather everything from the studio and taking it to the new house. So basically the new house has great lighting and I stopped making makeup content because यहाँ पे light इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So I hope to make more makeup related content in the new house. So I want to take 80% of my makeup there. I'm gonna obviously leave some here because I will need it for shoots. But yeah, let's go do that. It's going to be a task. Okay, so this is where all of my makeup is stored as of now. Organized तो है काफी हद तक. This is what it looks like. But most of the stuff in here is expired. I think so. So that is what I need to go through. Let's start unloading. We are off in a rickshaw, but आ गया सारा सामान. एकदम ही convenient day पे I don't have my car. Aditya is in Alibag with the car, so rickshaw it is. I love traveling by rickshaw, so I don't mind it. Thankfully सब कुछ fit आ गया. So I've made it. ये सारे clips जो होने वाले हो बहुत ही weird angles में होने वाले because I can't show you the rest of the room obviously. But what I can show you is that this is the vanity in which we are going to be organizing all of the makeup. I think step one definitely has to be segregation. Expired products को side में रखना है. जो products खत्म हो गए for some reason बहुत सारी ऐसी bottles हैं जो खत्म हो गई है and still I've like kept them. And then if there are certain products that are untouched, I can keep them aside also to give it away. So let's do that. For the most part we're done with all the makeup, but it's time for the lipsticks. Oh my god. इसका expiry पता भी कैसे चलेगा? लिखा होगा क्या?
कुछ पे लिखा है. देखिए for example इस पे लिखा है.
Okay, let's go. अपडेट वी आर डन विथ मेकअप. सारा कुछ हो गया. यहाँ पे भी है थोड़ा, बट पूरा का पूरा स्किन केयर बचा है. दिस इज योर रिमाइंडर टू गो एंड क्लीन योर ड्रॉर एंड सी व्हाट इज एक्सपायर्ड व्हाट इज नॉट. क्लियरली मैंने सब कुछ स्वॉच कर लिया है एंड आई हैव मेड माई डिसीजन. इसको पहले करना है ऑर्गेनाइज.
चलिए ये भी सेग्रीगेट
कर लेते हैं और फिर ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं के बारे में. Let's tackle this. Okay, somehow managed to narrow down the skincare. So serums, moisturizers. This is my little essential oil collection. ये डॉक्टर की दवा है. Some face massagers and then face masks. All of this is gonna go under the sink. So ये मेरा everyday skincare नहीं है. Just something that I want to, like if I want to switch it up, I have this here. Hello and welcome to the next day. Yesterday we ended up fully emptying the suitcase and organizing rather all the makeup. That's done. I showed you a little bit sneak peek of that. Skincare bhi, I would say 50% of it is done. Thoda sa still baki hai. So today let's try to finish that. And also before that, I want to do a DIY. It's been a while since I've done a DIY. Obviously ye ghar mein bhi DIY karna banta hai. Let's do a DIY first of all for my bedroom. I have a lot of Polaroids just lying around and I have always wanted a huge frame filled with Polaroids. So let's just put them to the use anyway. ऐसे ही बैठे हैं, डिस्प्ले करते हैं, सुंदर लगेंगे एंड उसके बाद ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंटिन्यू करते हैं दिन का. सो दिस इज द फ्रेम दैट आई हैव पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम IKEA. बहुत ही प्रिटी फ्रेम है ये. एंड देयर वी हैव ऑल ऑफ आवर Polaroids. They've been sitting in a box for years. Finally, I'm going to be displaying them. It's done, guys. I don't want to show you the whole frame. You've seen most of it already, but you'll see the whole thing in the bedroom in the house tour. Also, talking of frames, I picked up another frame from IKEA and I got this printed out. Do epic shit. Abhi, I want you guys to guess in the comments down below मैं इसको कहाँ लगाऊंगी. इसमें एक पन है, so थोड़ा सा सोचो कि ये कहाँ लगेगा. Comment down below. So we are done with one DIY. मुझे एक और DIY करना है, but I haven't gotten the products. मैंने Amazon से मंगाया the materials, but I do have a few things that have been delivered from Amazon. So let's do a very mini haul. The first thing that I have is this really cute स्किन केयर ऑर्गेनाइजर. आई थिंक इसको मैं मेरे बाथरूम में रखने वाली हूँ एंड कीप ऑल ऑफ माई एवरीडे स्किन केयर इन हियर. देन आई ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फॉर दिस क्यूट pillow covers and I love the color. It looked actually quite different, but I'm so glad that ये color आया. बहुत ही unique color है. like sage green है, but jewel toned sage green, if that's even a thing. It's kind of the theme of the living room. Giving you guys a spoiler. At this point मैंने बहुत कुछ दिखा दिया है. You can almost see a lot of the living room any which ways at this point. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to assemble this. Basically ये आया है. Organizer है perfumes के लिए. I love the color of this. Very, very pretty. Let's quickly assemble it. I don't think ज़्यादा time लगना चाहिए. And it rotates. So cute. बहुत मस्त है. And the last thing that I've picked up is this Pampers. बहुत बार मैंने Amazon से actually Pampers मंगाया and every time I don't really get the real thing. This is actually quite close and this like sheds everywhere. So disclaimer, अगर if you want to have this at home, it's very high maintenance, but it looks very very cute. So I thought I would order this. इसको fluff करना पड़ेगा. अभी ये पूरा चिपक गया है. So impromptu, we've decided to go to the nursery to buy a few plants. I feel like almost ghar is ready and we've been waiting for this moment, right?
Yeah.
We want to buy one. Yeah, my
favorite
mom
thing.
loves plants, but we're not gonna buy lots of small plants. We want 2 big plants, one super big one and then one medium one maybe.
Let's see.
Let's see. We've made it. We loved that fiddle right there, but it's very expensive. कुछ 13,000 का है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया. Guys, look at this monstera. So pretty. Oh my god. But मेरा record है. सारे मेरे से monstera मर जाते हैं, but they're so pretty. This is the one that we are going for. इतना thick fiddle है. Fiddle भी वैसे मेरे से जिंदा रहा नहीं है. Hopefully my mom will be able to take care of this one. Taller than me. I think this is the one that we're buying. Now we're looking at pots. Welcome to the last day. Excuse me for all the awkward angles. I have to hide the house as much as possible from you guys क्योंकि मैंने already बहुत कुछ reveal कर दिया है. So जो चीज़ें बची है वो मुझे एकदम अच्छे से आपको दिखानी है. बट बेसिकली आज लास्ट डे, आज हम एक DIY आर्टवर्क बनाने वाले हैं विद एवरीवन इन माय फैमिली बिकॉज आई वांट इट टू बी अ ग्रुप एक्टिविटी एंड इट्स गोना बी मॉडर्न आर्ट, सो वी डोंट रियली नीड टू स्ट्रेस अबाउट इट बीइंग परफेक्ट. इट कैन बी ऑनेस्टली एनीथिंग दैट एवरीवन वांट्स टू डू. एंड मैंने ऑर्डर किए हैं 2 कैनवसेस Amazon से एंड ऑल्सो एक टाइप का मीडियम जो कैमल का है. आई बिलीव इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर POP. मैंने बहुत बार ये टाइप का मॉडर्न आर्ट बनाया है, so it's very easy to be very honest and it looks nice every single time no matter what you do. So let's go do it.
This is double helical DNA structure, and inside, if it is possible, we'll place Mridul and Aditya, Bhavna and Piyush. That is called nitrogenous base pair. That is how you get the genetic characters from your parents.
Wow, scientific and artistic. And with that, we are done with our little painting activity. Mom and I really enjoyed it. My dad also joined us and he did a really good job. उन्होंने अपना साइंस ऐड किया उसमें, मॉम और डैड दोनों ने. नाना वॉज अ लिटिल बिट हेजिटेंट, ही डिडंट वांट टू गेट हिज हैंड्स dirty, I'm assuming, but I made him put like at least his thumbprints and like a few fingerprints just so that it felt like all of us did it together. Soon after this video goes live, you guys are gonna be seeing the house tour, sorry, the room tour, और उसके बाद house tour आएगा. पहले मेरा room tour आएगा. I am so excited. By the way, I've already shot that video as we speak and I am really excited with the way it is looking. It's not like 100%, but I feel like it never really will be 100%. एकदम छोटी छोटी minute चीजें थी जो मैं अगर रुक गई वो करने के लिए तो वीडियो कभी लाइव ही नहीं होगा. बट yeah, I'm very happy with the way it looks. With that, we are done with the final series, the final episode rather of the Dream Home series. I think that's basically it. If you've made it so far to today's video, make sure to leave this sparkle emoji in the comments down below. I hope this video was satisfying for you to watch. And like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!